Okay, student, good morning. Anshul Rajput. Are you hearing me, Anshul Rajput?
Yes, sir.
So you are getting something whatever you studying.
Yes, sir.
If any kind of query or problem, you can ask me. So first tell me, have you book of fundamental geography? Okay, student. Yesterday we studied there are three terms. We have to get the answer of these question. That is first, what, where, and why. These three questions we have to find the answer in this chapter regarding the discipline of geography to all the sister of geography. Just I told you the sociology, meteorology, oceanography, pedology, political science, economics, history, along with the geography. Okay, so these are the sisters of social science along with the natural sciences. Also, we studied yesterday the importance of these spatial, that we can say that is the space and plus time, you know. So geography is the combination of both the either space and time because of it has the relation to history. Especially I told yesterday, space is related to the location, and location is the term of geography. Clear? Likewise, the term time, it reflects when any incident was occurred, incident was happened. It is close related to the date, like year, month. Okay. So in which time, in which year, in which date the incident was occurred, just close related to the history events. It is no relation to history. These terms we studied yesterday. One more important thing that I want to explain you, the importance of these physical environment or the physical features whatever we are studying every day. Like if we talk about the relief feature, relief in which it contains mountains, plateau, plain. Okay, so these are the physical features also part of the relief feature. Also they are known landscape area or the form of lands. According to the relief feature, these each and every aspect of relief feature mountains, plateau, plain, valleys, desert, river basin, river channels, etc. These are very important to get advantage for usage of human. Whatever the physical environment we are using it as to fulfill the need of human to manufacture the item, to manufacture the product, whatever the product and items we are using in everyday life, these are very important aspects that we are using in everyday life. For example, if we talk about mountain Himalaya, Himalaya mountain in what way? In what respect? It is very advantageful for human of India, for people of India, because of yesterday I told about it. It is very important. It protect us from enemies. First advantage, protect us from enemies और फॉरेन इन्वेजन एज वेल. फॉरेन इन्वेजन से हमें ये प्रोटेक्शन देता है. एंड सेकंड थिंग दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, इट प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम icy wind which are coming from Siberian region. Okay, imagine that if there was no mountain region on the frontier geographical boundary of India in northern side. In this situation, nowadays we are entertaining the climatic condition or the weather condition in North India. It was not. It is not there in the situation of there is no availability of mountain Himalaya in the northern frontier boundary of India. Right? the situations, the conditions of weather or climatic conditions would be quite reverse, quite different. It means the physical features, all the relief features, they are very advantageous for us. One more thing, we can calculate the study and observation of geography through time. But time is the factor close related to history because it narrates about the time and incidents when it was occurred. But rather than it, we can close relate to geography also in what respect? Suppose that this is the place, Ahmedabad, okay, and another place, this is the frontier, northeastern frontier geographical boundary of India, capital of Arunachal Pradesh, it means Italy. Okay, according to the longitudinal extent of India, there is difference between two places from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, that is the 2 hours. You know, I hope that you studied in previous class 9th or 10th standard the difference of when we calculate from eastern boundary of India from Arunachal Pradesh to Ahmedabad or the Gujarat. So there is the difference between two places 2 hours. 2 घंटे का difference होता है. But in this way, just if we calculate another place that is the Delhi and Kolkata, the distance between Delhi and Kolkata 1500 kilometers. Okay, according to which, once we can say it, we can calculate, we can explain it. The distance of Delhi to Kolkata, that is 2 hours. Because of if we travel from car, train, just the traveling time is 2 hours from Kolkata to Delhi and Delhi to Kolkata. So we can explain it. The term of location also related to the geography, but also we can explain it. The distance between Delhi and Kolkata is 2 hours. 2 घंटे का समय लगता है. इसको हम 12 कर देते हैं because of very long distance not possible in 2 hours. So we can say the distance of Delhi to Kolkata, that is 12-hour distance if we calculate in hours. Okay. Okay, move further. Next important topic or concept that we are going to study, that is physical geography and natural sciences. Physical geography and natural sciences. Already I explained about it. Physical geography and what is the close relation of physical environment to human being. पहले ही हमने आपको समझा दिया है in what respect human being is close related to their physical environment wherever he is living, he or she is living. Okay, and whatever the relief feature we are looking around us. Okay, so all the branches of physical geography as shown figure 1.1 have interface with natural sciences. Natural sciences. Okay, so natural sciences, this is close related to social sciences. नेचुरल साइंसेस का रिलेशन सोशल साइंस से है. वंस मीनिंग वी कैन से दीज आर द कॉमन वर्ड, हम इसको कॉमन भी कह सकते हैं. सो द ट्रेडिशनल फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी इज लिंक्ड विद नेचुरल साइंस का लिंक है, लिंक विद जियोलॉजी. ट्रेडिशनल फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी, इट मीन्स दैट इज द फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी linked with geology, meteorology, इसको हम मौसम विज्ञान कहेंगे, हाइड्रोलॉजी, pedology, okay, you know, geology. When we talk about geology, it is under the crust, internal the earth. धरती के अंदर का जब स्टडी करते हैं दैट इज द जियोलॉजी। भूगर्भिक, गर्भ, भू के गर्भ में, इट मीन्स धरती के अंदर। मेट्रोलॉजी related to the all incidents, all happenings related to the weather and climate. Hydrology, jal vigyan, when we discuss and describe about the water bodies, also it's known oceanography. Samudra. Pedology, that is known soil, okay, study of soil, soil observation is known pedology. Okay, so and thus geomorphology, climatology, oceanography and soil geography respectively have very close link with natural science. If we talk about natural science, it close related to geomorphology, climatology, oceanography and soil geography, right? As these derives their data from these science, biogeography is closely related to the botany. So these are the part of biogeography. You know what is biogeography? It means living being. Biogeography means living being. So whatever the living being on the earth planet, the part of biogeography is that is the botany, botany, uh, botany and zoology. Sorry, botany, zoology, and as well as ecology and ecology. You know, so these are the three branches of biogeography. बॉटनी वनस्पति विज्ञान होता है, जियोलॉजी जीव विज्ञान होता है एंड इकोलॉजी पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र होता है। क्लोज रिलेशनशिप और इंटरडिपेंडेंसी ऑफ फ्लोरा एंड फौना अलोंग विद ह्यूमन, ह्यूमन के साथ फ्लोरा और फौना। फ्लोरा इट मींस नेचुरल वेजिटेशन, फौना वाइल्ड लाइफ। So what is the close relationship of flora and fauna along with human? The balance, the system is known ecology. You studied, I hope, in previous classes about ecological system. Okay, move further next. A geographer should have some proficiency in mathematics and art. If you are a geographer, imagine that. Certainly you have made yourself efficient in the term of art, in the term of mathematics, and particularly in drawing maps, how to draw map. If you are a geographer, you are the student of geography, certainly you have to enable yourself to sketch freehand map. Map कैसे हम बना दें? This tactics should be there if you are the student of geography. अगर ज्योग्राफी के स्टूडेंट हैं तो ये चीजें आपको आनी चाहिए। ज्योग्राफी इज वेरी मच लिंक्ड विद द स्टडी ऑफ एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल लोकेशन। इफ यू आर ज्योग्राफर, certainly you have to study about astrology, astronomical locations, where the location of all the object in space, all the object in universe, all the object in galaxy, and all the object and all the member of sun family. Okay, so if you are the geographer, just you have to make efficiency in the term of mathematics. आपका मैथ भी आना चाहिए, आर्ट आना चाहिए, एस्ट्रोलॉजी होना चाहिए। You know, so this is the close relation of geography, mathematics, art, astrology, sketching maps, diagram, and statistics also. Okay, so the shape of the earth uh, before it. Geography is very much linked with the study of astronomical location and deal with latitudes and longitudes. Suppose that you are the student of geography, you have to calculate time according to the location. Certainly, you have to know about latitude lines and longitude lines. Okay, आपको latitude और longitude आना चाहिए. This is the grid. Imagine that this is the globe and this is the north pole, south pole, equator है 0 degree. Okay, these are the longitude line. Are you getting me, student? Yes, sir. You are looking this. You are looking these lines. Okay. So this is the globe. This is the north pole and south pole. Equator line, that is the east and west. This is known grid. इसको क्या कहते हैं? ये ग्रिड कहलाता है. इसको क्या कहते हैं? ये ग्रिड कहलाता है. ग्रिड जाल कहलाता है. ओके, so you should know about the longitude line and latitude line. I am asking you, Manju Singh, do you know about longitude line and latitude line? So what is the latitude line and what are longitude line? Reply. Manju Singh and Shivani Kashyap.
Yes, sir.
What are longitude lines and what are latitudes line? Don't know. Trapti Ranjan, do you know? Trapti Ranjan, Manju Singh, Trapti, Ansul, Kanishka, Mrityunjay Dikshit. Mrityunjay Dikshit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me about what is the difference between longitude line and latitude lines.
So the longitude lines runs horizontally, and the latitudinal line runs vertically.
Just you told opposite, just reverse. आपने उल्टा बता दिया. देखिए, these are the imaginary lines. Run west to east. These are known latitudes. Horizontal lines also these are known, and these lines are known vertical lines, and also these lines are known longitude lines, which connect north to south. Okay, so joining north to south, these lines are known vertical lines, longitude lines, and lines, imaginary lines which connect west to east. These are known latitudes line. Okay, move further. So I am telling about if you are the student of geography, certainly you have knowledge about the longitude and latitude lines. Thereafter, you would be able to calculate the time between 1 degree. You know, according to the circle, this is the circle of 360 degree. Any circle, it has the value of 360 degree. Circle की value कितनी होती है? 360 degree. So we can distribute it 360. We can distribute it by 24 hours. It means इस तरह से हम इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे and 1 hour equal to how many degrees? 1 hour कितने डिग्रीज के बराबर होगा? So according to which 1 degree equal 4 minute. Okay, 1 डिग्री की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? 1 डिग्री की 4 मिनट होती है. according to which और उसी के अनुसार the time is calculated 24 hour within a day. Okay, so ये तो मैंने इसलिए बताया कि ये सारी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए इफ यू आर द स्टूडेंट ऑफ ज्योग्राफी। अगर आप ज्योग्राफी के स्टूडेंट हैं तो आपको मैप वर्क आना चाहिए, आपको डायग्राम्स बनाना आना चाहिए, आपको फ्री हैंड स्केच करना आना चाहिए, आपकी पेंटिंग और ड्राइंग अच्छी होनी चाहिए, आपका मैथमेटिक्स अच्छा होना चाहिए, राइट? ओके, सो द शेप ऑफ द अर्थ इज जियोइड बट द बेसिक टूल्स ऑफ द ज्योग्राफर इज ए मैप विच इज टू डायमेंशनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ। जियोइड इट मीन्स होल अर्थ प्लैनेट, whole world. The shape of the earth is known also the description of earth, the observation of the earth, that is the geoid. The problem of converting geoid into two dimensions can be tackled by projection construction graphically or mathematically. Just we can calculate it method of projection. You will study further in practical. Practical में पढ़ेंगे प्रोजेक्शन मैप बनाए जाते हैं, प्रोजेक्शन स्केल्स बनाई जाती हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू विच वी कैन मेजर कंप्लीट 360 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एंड लैटिट्यूड्स लाइंस मेजरमेंट एंड वैल्यू एंड लोकेशन ऑफ द सिटी, स्टेट एंड कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड. So the cartographic and quantitative techniques. Cartography to sketch map. कार्टोग्राफी इज नॉन स्केचिंग मैप, मैप बनाने को हम कार्टोग्राफी कहते हैं. एंड क्वांटिटेटिव टेक्निक्स, हाउ टू मेजर द डिग्री एंड वैल्यू एंड टाइम इन मिनट्स और आवर्स टू द होल वर्ल्ड. पूरी दुनिया में कहाँ पर किस समय इवनिंग हो रहा है, मॉर्निंग हो रहा है, कितने टाइम का डे ड्यूरेशन क्या है, व्हाट इज द नाइट ड्यूरेशन, वी कैन कैलकुलेट बाय मैथमेटिकली. The cartographic and quantitative techniques require sufficient proficiency in mathematics. Also, you should know about the statistics. सांख्यिकी, आपको statistics भी आनी चाहिए. Already I told about the statistics data, mean, median, mode. I think you studied in any class 9th or 10th. Do you know about mean, median, mode? आप mean, median, mode जानते हैं? Okay, तो ये भी जानना चाहिए. And econometrics, the increasement quantitative study of economy of the nation, economy of the world, how to increase economy, how to observe economy, how to calculate economy, economics का भी knowledge होना चाहिए. So maps are prepared through artistic imagination. Okay, maps are prepared through artistic imagination. It is the skill of art, how to sketch map. And cartographic work require proficiency in art. If you are a cartographer, if you are able to sketch map, certainly it is the efficiency, and work require proficiency in art skill, that is the drawing. Move further. Geography is social sciences. Very interesting. Geography is social sciences. Okay. So in what way geography is closely related to social sciences? We will study in this topic all the subjects of social science, in what respect they are very close related to the geography. Geography से कैसे close related है? Okay. Each social science scale in figure 1.1 has interface with the branches of geography. If we talk about the branches of geography, the relationship between geography and history have already been online in detail. Already I told about the relationship between history and geography, right? So every discipline has a philosophy, which is the reason deal etc. for the discipline. Philosophy provides root to a discipline and the process of its evolution. It also experiences distinct historical process. Thus, the history of geographical thought as mother branch of geography is included universally in the its curricula. Mother branch of geography. So history is the mother branch of geography. Okay, जो हिस्ट्री है इट इज द मदर ब्रांच. व्हाई इट इज नॉन मदर ब्रांच? इसको मदर ब्रांच क्यों कहते हैं? यू नो, if we want to study of any branch of geography, certainly there would be the combination of two subjects, history and geography, because any incident, any happening, any activity, it was happened or occurred at in particular place and at any specific point of time. दो चीजों का ध्यान देना है. कोई भी घटना घटित होती है तो उसका एक लोकेशन होता है, उसका एक लोकेशन होता है, एज वेल एज व्हाट वाज द टाइम एट द टाइम ऑफ हैपनिंग द इंसिडेंट. और वो इंसिडेंट हुआ है वो किसी न किसी टाइम पे हुआ होगा, सुबह, दोपहर, शाम, रात को, दिन को, दोपहर को, 4 बजे, 5 बजे, 5 तारीख में, 10 तारीख में, जनवरी में, फरवरी में, मार्च में, 2019 में, 20 में, 21 में. इट मीन्स कोई न कोई टाइम तो होगा. वॉल्केनिक एरप्शन हुआ, आइदर इट इज द एक्टिविटी ऑफ नेचुरल साइंस, फिजिकल, बट अगर वॉल्केनिक एरप्शन हुआ है तो किस डेट में हुआ, किस ईयर में हुआ है. क्लोज रिलेशन ऑफ हिस्ट्री. विदाउट हिस्ट्री there is no imagination of the branches of geography. Without history there is no existence and imagination of the branches of geography. Geography की किसी भी ब्रांच की हम कल्पना नहीं कर सकते हैं without history. So you know, this is the close relation of history to geography because of location and time, right? So first we studied the close relation of social science subject, that is the history, to geography, and move further. All the social sciences discipline visualize, that is the sociology, political science, economics and demography. Do you know what is demography? Demography means होता है population, population geography. Okay, demography means observation the population size. What is the population of the country, population of the state, population of world? The study of population, that is known demography. तो population की study को क्या कहते हैं? Demography कहते हैं. You know, study different aspect of social reality. The branches of geography visualize social, political, economic, population and settlements are closely linked with these disciplines, as each one of them has special attributes. Each and every branches of social geography, these have a special attributes. It means स्थानिक, time to time, place to place, region to region, state to state, country to country, having a special attributes or the aspect of the incident and the physical environment. Okay, so also has a special aspect, and here come the role of economic geography to study the special aspect of production. If we talk about the economic geography, certainly we have to get a study about the production, distribution, exchange, consumption, and likewise population geography is closely linked with the discipline of demography. So certainly if we want to study economic geography, then we have to collect the data, we have to observe about the distribution of population, how much the production of food grains and other products in the country, what is the exchange rate of foreign currency, and how much we are exporting or importing the goods, and what is the consumption rate, whatever we are consuming as a food, whatever we are consuming as a basic need like clothing or garments, right? तो ये सब भी हमें जानना पड़ेगा, then we would be able to success economic geography. That is the close relation of economics to geography. Okay, move further. The above discussion shows that geography has a strong interface. Geography का जो interface बताया गया है, that is the strong interface, and in what respect? With natural and social sciences, natural sciences and social sciences. So it follows its own and methodology to study which makes it distinct from others. It has a special methodology to study from other subject, other branches of geography, other branches of social science, other branches of natural science. Special methodology. You know, it has osmotic relationship with other discipline, close relationship, unique relationship to the human beings or the discipline of all branches of geography. And while all the disciplines have their own individual scope, especially geography with history, geography with political science, geography with economics, geography with meteorology, geography with oceanography, geography with demography, geography with pedology, all the branches of social sciences, these branches have a special discipline. सबका अपना अपना अनुशासन, relationship is different from one to another. Different relationship होता है. So this individually does not obstruct the flow of information as a case of all cells in the body that have individual identity separated by membranes, but the flow of blood is not obstructed. You know, for example, that is the illustration. You can observe human is human, but if we take the blood of separately human to human, one to another, certainly we will find the difference in blood cells. ब्लड सबका सबके अंदर ब्लड होता है. हर एक पर्सन का जब हम ब्लड सैंपल लेंगे, you will find that the blood sample is coming different from one to another in their characteristic. Cells characteristic, cells की जो characteristic feature होते हैं ब्लड के, वो different मिलेंगे. हमारा ब्लड अलग होगा, आपका ब्लड होगा, आपका ब्लड अलग होगा. These are the genetic factors. Okay, तो वैसे ही अगर हम स्टडी करते हैं ज्योग्राफी का हिस्ट्री के साथ, दैट इज डिफरेंट. ज्योग्राफी विद पॉलिटिकल साइंस इज डिफरेंट. ज्योग्राफी विद जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी इज डिफरेंट. ज्योग्राफी विद इकोनॉमिक्स इज डिफरेंट. So all the spatial and characteristic or discipline of geography with their branches are quite different from one to another. So it is clear, student? Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So geographers use data obtained from sister discipline. All the geographer of the world, they use data to study the sister discipline of the geography. Move further, turn over the page. Attempt synthesis over space. A close combination, a close relationship of all the branches. Okay, student. Thank you so much.